Today I'll be reviewing 6 Plum products. So if you are new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. So the first product I'm going to review is Shea Matte Day Cream. So the best part of this cream is that it contains SPF 50, so you don't need to travel with two different kind of products, a sunscreen and a moisturizer. You can just travel with a matte cream and you are good to go. It's very travel friendly with that. So the consistency of this cream is not too runny or not too thick, it's just the perfect rich creamy texture to it. Generally sunscreen leave us with a very whiteness on the face, but this cream doesn't do it because it has a moisturizer. So with a very little massage on the skin, it just absorbs in the skin very naturally. It just gives you an exact adequate amount of hydration. It doesn't give you a very glossy or a shiny or a sweaty skin. It doesn't give you any kind of dryness or irritation to the skin. It's very soothing to the skin. The only drawback of this matte cream is that it wipes off or washes off with the sweat. A person like me, I have a very sweaty skin, especially on the face. So whenever I use this day cream, after hardly for 15 or 20 minutes of sun exposure, it just washes off my face. So I need to keep reapplying it on my face frequently. The next product we're going to talk about is Brighten Up Face Scrub. Okay, so the consistency of this face scrub is quite creamy. It's peachy in color and it has red and brown granules to it, which you'll apply if you'll apply the face scrub on your face, you'll feel a bit harsh, those granules, but after massaging it for 4 to 5 minutes, you will start feeling very soothing and it gives you very good exfoliation. The granules are quite coarse, but it's very effective. The face scrub is really effective on the suntan. I'm a kind of a person who gets easily tanned up with hardly 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure. I get tanned up and my tan usually doesn't go very easily. Although it's a face scrub, but it doesn't leave the skin with any kind of dryness to it. It just leaves the skin very soothing and good exfoliated skin you will have. It doesn't give you any kind of dryness, itchiness or irritation to the skin. It's very good with that. You need to apply the face scrub and need to massage it for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and then only you'll get the result. It will remove the dead skin completely from the skin. If you are searching a face scrub for tan removal, this scrub is right for you. So the next product we're going to talk about is Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. The consistency of this moisturizer is quite like a gel. It's very light green in color. It's a mattifying moisturizer, so whenever we apply a moisturizer on our face, we just think that our face will get very greasy or very glossy, but it's a mattifying moisturizer. So the best part of this moisturizer is when you apply it, it absorbs in the skin and gives you a matte effect. It doesn't give you any kind of glowy or a very dewy effect. That is a good thing about a moisturizer, because nowadays we want like a matte face. We don't want too glossy, too shiny makeup or too shiny skin. So that is a good part of this. It gives you a very matte effect. It has a very normal fragrance to it like other Plum products. The smell is not quite different. It just smells same as like a green tea face wash if you have used it. It has green tea in it, so it calms your skin, brightens up and refreshes your skin in a very mattifying effect. So that is a very good part. Another good thing about this cream is that it will not wash off with the sweat. As I told you, I have a very sweaty face and a very sweaty skin. So it won't wash off with the sweat you have, or if you go in a sun exposure, it will calm your skin because it has green tea to it. So it will calm your skin and it will not leave you with any irritation on the skin. Moisturizers generally feel very heavy on the skin, but it's very light, very mild on the skin. It's not at all heavy because we need to apply makeup after applying the moisturizer. So the whole base becomes very thick, but it will not make the base very thick. It's very good with that. So you just need to apply the moisturizer, apply the concealer and the foundation, you're good to go. I cannot say anything for oily skin type, but for normal skin type, it's a very good cream. The next product we're going to review is Illuminance Deep Moisturizing Cream. So this is milky creamy in texture. I need a deep moisturizing cream for the winters, so this is the best cream I can use for the winters. In winters I do have breakouts, so it's a very good cream to use in winters. It's a deep moisturizing cream, then too it will not leave you with a greasy or glossy effect on the skin, not too heavy at all. It will not leave you with any kind of dryness on the face. It's a deep moisturizing cream. It will help you with the breakouts, the dead skin and the dry skin. I'm a person who uses a BB cream for going out. I'm not a person who uses foundation, so I don't like any kind of heavy base. So whenever it's winter, this is the best cream and the moisturizer I can use, and just go with the BB cream and I'm good to go. I don't need to do anything else. I'm not a person who keeps on doing a lot of makeup. The only drawback of this product is it's quite expensive, but mostly Plum products are expensive, but they are good. The next product I'm going to review is the face mask, and it is my personal favorite. It's a chamomile white tea face mask. The best part of this face mask is it's very light. It's not heavy, too creamy or too thick to apply. It's very soft and very light on the skin. It gives you instant brightness. It gives hardly in 15-20 minutes. It gives you a very white and glowing skin. That is a very good part of this face mask. It's very light on the skin. As I told you, the applying is very easy. So after applying the scrub and using the face wash, you can just apply this and just sit for 15 to 20 minutes. It's not at all burning or irritating for the normal skin type, and it removes the skin tan very nicely. I am a person who gets tanned up very easily, as I told you in the video, and it's very good with the suntan removal, and it has white tea, so it calms the skin very nicely, soothes the skin. It helps the skin to deal with the sunburn and the tanning and the dead skin. It's very good with that. The only drawback of this face mask is that I don't feel the result stays for a very long time. The results are very instant for sure, but they don't stay for a very longer time. So if you have a very good deep suntan, it will take a lot of time for you to remove it. So the next product I'm going to talk about is Gel Body Cream Drive Me Cherry. So they come in 3 different kind of flavors. I've ordered the smaller version of this cherry one. So the texture of this scrub is very runny. It just slip off the hand. It's like a hand wash kind of texture. It contains blue and red granules which exfoliates the skin very deeply. So that is a good part. I've ordered a trial version of this scrub, so I got a plastic bottle. But if you'll order the bigger version, it will come in a glass bottle, so it is not at all travel friendly. It leaves you with a very refreshing and soothing skin, so it's a good part of that scrub. All the products I've mentioned in today's video are suitable for both men and women. I know men and women do have a different kind of skin, but they all are suitable for all skin types. If you have oily skin, you can choose the product differently according to the skin type you have. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. If you like it, you know what you need to do. You need to click on the like button. If you want to say something to me, do comment below. If you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel, Nautical Nails. Till then, #keep nailing it.